Cohere for AI has launched Aya, which is a LLM which covers more than 100 languages. So this is from the research team at Cohere for AI, which is Cohere's non-profit research lab. So yesterday they announced this massively multilingual, state-of-art, open source LLM covering more than 101 different languages. So this is more than the number of languages covered by existing open source models, more than double the number of languages basically. They are also open sourcing the model as well as the largest multilingual instruction fine-tuned dataset to date with a size of 513 million, covering close to 114 languages. This data collection includes rare annotations from native and fluent speakers all around the world, ensuring that AI technology can effectively serve a broad global audience that have had limited access to date. So this is a huge noteworthy effort from Cohere for AI to release this large multilingual large language model covering more than 101 different languages. Okay, so you can already try this model on Cohere's playground. So that is what I did. Okay, so here I selected the model as Hindi. So I created an account with my Google Mail and just I could try out this particular model in their playground. The version over here is trained to support 21 languages. So the list of languages are available here. So I tried out Hindi, and what I asked is how to open a bank account with SBI. SBI is one of the largest banks in India. So the Hindi translation is like SBI mein bank khata kaise khole. Okay. So that is a Hindi equivalent of this statement. So that is what I gave as an input over here. And then it gave, this particular output over here. If you see over here, when I run, it gave this particular output. So if you were to just take a few lines from here, okay, and say copy it and say paste it on again on Google Translate, okay, whereby you want to do Hindi to English translation. Okay, so it says the translation equivalent says to open a bank account in SBI, you need to follow the following steps. Visit your nearest SBI branch and request an account application form. Fill the form provided by the required information to open the account. This includes your name, date of birth, and contact information. Okay, provide the necessary documents. So it has given a very good output. So the Hindi is like SBI में एक बैंक खाता खोलने के लिए आपको निम्नलिखित चरणों का पालन करना होगा. You need to follow the following steps, basically. This translation equivalent. Okay, my Hindi is not fluent, so I'll not read the rest of this thing. But you can go and try it out over here in their playground. You can see how it works. Okay, you can also download this model. The model is already available. You can download the model and dataset, and you can also use it in your own code. So they have released this model basically. They are also going to have a virtual event on February 16th to share more about the new AI model. So you can also attend this virtual event. So in the meanwhile, so I wanted to look at what is this particular AI dataset. So they have this dedicated page. They also have this video. Okay, this is a global initiative involving over 3,000 independent researchers across 119 countries, right? And the word Aya is derived from the Twi language meaning fern, a symbol of endurance and resourcefulness. Here are some of the numbers over here, right? The 513 million instruction dataset, multilingual dataset, more than 3K independent researchers, 56 language ambassadors, 119 countries across the world are involved in this. Close to 204K original human annotation, 101 languages, 31K Discord messages. So this is the scale of this particular effort. Okay, and over here, if you look at, they have this from which part of the world are researchers involved and their numbers over here. Okay, So if you look at India, more than 350 collaborators are working from India on this, right? Similarly, from the North Americas, you have more than 350. So across the world, people are involved in this collaborative effort. So it's very praiseworthy. Okay. And if you look furthermore here, they talk about this data set. Yeah, you can download the data set. You can read more about the data set. And they talk about the model as well over here. So I'll be putting this link. You can look at it. They talk about the accuracy and the performance of this across this multilingual benchmarks. Compared to MT0X, which is another multilingual model, and it says that this model consistently outperforms MTX in all tasks, showing its superior multilingual capabilities. Okay. So this is a short video on Aya, which is a new multilingual open LLM. They've also open sourced the dataset. So you can look at the dataset as well. You can use the model as well. The model is already available for download. You can go and check out for your multilingual tasks. I hope this video is useful to you. If you like the video, please like, share, subscribe to the channel. I'll be putting the relevant links in the description of the video. You can check it out. See you in another video.